Hello children, welcome back to our chapter 9 halves and quarters. Today we will start from page number 103. In this page we have to do make the other half of the given pictures. First one is a flower, second one a butterfly, and third one is the picture of an ant. Half of the picture is drawn here. Can you complete the picture by drawing the other half? This butterfly and flower is very easy to draw, and we have to all the three pictures are very easy because we have to make the other half of these three pictures. See how can we make the other half of these pictures. See, first we have to make the other three petals of this flower and the other wing of the butterfly, and this is the other half of the ant from the middle part. See, three legs and one horn. This way we can make the other part of this ant also. These are the full part of these three pictures. Now question H. This is a quarter of a picture. Can you complete it? How many more quarters will you draw to complete it? How many more quarters will you to draw to complete it? See here, this is the picture of a sun. Normally we are making a sun using a circle. This part is showing the quarter part. That is, one quarter part is showing here. Now we have to make other three quarters. This is the quarter part. Other three quarters we have to make. So how many quarters we have to make complete this picture? To complete this picture we have to make three more quarters. How can we make complete this picture? See that. See, this is the complete picture of that sun. See, one quarter, this quarter given here, other three quarters we have completed. This is the full sun. Three more quarters we have to make. Now next heading is half and quarter of a meter. Using your meter scale, cut a string of 1 meter. On this string mark the length of half meter, 1/4 meter and 3/4 meter. Students, take a scale and strike another string. Using this scale you have to measure the string up to 1 meter and mark on that string half meter of this string, 1/4 meter and 3/4 meter. Students, we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Now we have to find its half, its 1/4 and its 3/4. Using your string, draw a line of length half meter on the floor. How many centimeter long is the line? So first we have to find the half meter of this string. So here we have given the question in the next page 104. We have to find its half meter, 1/4 meter and 3/4 meter. To find the half of 1 meter, find the half of 100 centimeter. That means 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. To find half of 100 centimeter, multiply the 100 by 1/2. That means 100 divided by 2 is 50 centimeter. So what is the half meter of 1 meter? Half meter of 1 meter is 50 centimeter or half of 100 centimeter. Now we have to find 1/4 meter. The same way we can find the 1/4 meter also. To find 1/4 meter, multiply by 1/4 into 100 because 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So what is the answer? 100 divided by 4 equals 25 centimeter. So quarter meter or 1/4 meter equals 25 centimeter. Now we have to find the 3/4 meter. To find 3/4 meter also, multiply by 3 by 4 into 100. 3 multiplied by 100 equals 300. Divide by 4 equals 75. So 3/4 meter of 1 meter equals 75 centimeter. So can you see that when we add half meter and 1/4 meter, we get 3/4 meter. Students, when we calculated that sun, when we drawn the sun, 1/4 quarter and 3 other 4th quarters, we will get one full. Like that, here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 equals 3 by 4. Here we have another solution also. First of all, as these two fractions have different denominators, first we have to find the LCM of 2 and 4. LCM we have got, 4 is LCM. Now both the fractions we have to convert into like fractions. That means 1 by 2 has to convert into 4 as denominator. That is 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Adding these two. Now these two fractions are like fractions. That means with the same denominators. Now adding these. Now it is very easy to add these fractions. If they are different denominators, we have to find the LCM, convert both the fractions into like fractions. That means with the same denominator. After finding it like denominator, like fractions, now we can add. Now 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals 3 by 4. So what is the sum of this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So when we add 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, we will get 3 by 4. That is 3 quarters we will get. 1 half quarter plus, sorry, 1 half plus 1 quarter equals 3 quarters. This is the answer for our question. All the answers I have written. You can complete in your textbook. Now the next heading is sharing milk. Now here we have found the quarters, halves and 3 quarters of meter and centimeter. Now we have to find the half, quarters and 3 quarters of liters. That means quantity of or capacity of liquids. Now we are going to find the quarters and halves of liquid substances. Now see, sharing milk. Here we have shown 5 bottles, 1 big bottle and 4 other different bottles. This bottle is full of milk and it holds 1 liter. The milk is put into 4 other bottles so that each bottle has 1/4 liter of a milk. As when we find the meter and centimeter, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. But here we have to find the quantity of milk. That means liquid substance. We know that 1 liter is 100 milliliter. Now we have to find 1/4 of 100 milliliter, half of 100 milliliter and 3/4 of 100 milliliter. That means 1 liter. Here all the bottles can hold 1000 milliliter milk or 1000 milliliter water. All the bottles can. But first, the first bottle contains 1000 milliliter and after that, that milk is poured into 4 different bottles as quarter parts. The quarter part of 1 liter milk is poured into 4 different bottles. Remember, 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter. First of all, we have to find 1/4 of 1000. How can we find 1/4 of 1000? To find the 1/4 of 1 liter, 1/4 multiply by 1000. That means 1000 divided by 4 equals 1/4 of 1 liter is equal to 250 ml. What is the 1/4 of 1000 milliliter? 250 ml milliliter. 250 milliliter is 1/4 of 1000 milliliter, 1 liter. Now here we have asked how many shade the bottles to show the level of milk in each. Now we have to shade the level of 250 ml of milk in each bottle. That I will show. That means here we can see the 1/4 part may be up to here only. All the 4 bottles can contain this much of 250 ml of milk in each bottle. This is the 1/4 of 1000 ml. Now here we have asked how many milliliters of milk does each bottle have. If we divide 1000 into 4, we will get 250 ml in 4 bottles. So each bottle contains 250 ml. That answer also we have to write here. 1/4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 250 ml. That answer we have to write here. Now, Shan poured 1 liter of milk into 2 bottles so that the first bottle holds 3/4 liter and the other holds 1/4 liter. Then Shan, what he has done? He has poured the milk into 2 other bottles. In first bottle, he poured 3/4 of 1 liter and in second bottle, he poured 1/4 of milk. So what will be the 3/4 of 1000 milliliter or 3/4 of 1 liter? To find the 3/4 of 1 liter, we have to find the same way. 3/4 multiplied by 1000. What will be the answer? 3/4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 3000 multiplied by 4 equals 750 ml. Answer is, that means when we multiply 3 by 1000, 3000. 3000 divide by 4 equals 750 ml. So in first bottle, he can pour 750 ml of milk. And in second bottle, this is, here we have to show, we have to shade how much the level of this milk. The 3/4 part of this milk will be up to here. And in second bottle, he poured 250 ml, that is 1/4 ml. That already we found 1/4 of 1000 milliliter is 250. So he poured 250 ml in the second bottle. So this will be the level of second bottle of milk. Now we have found 3/4, 1/4 and half also. The same way we can find half of 1000 means 1 by 2 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 500 ml. In this way we can find 3/4 of 1000 ml, 1/4 of 1000 ml and half of 1000 ml or 1 liter. So here the shaded portion also I have showed how much of the milk will reach at the bottle, 3/4 part and 1/4 part of the 1 liter. Now how many milliliters of milk does each bottle holds? How many milliliters of milk each bottle holds? In this first bottle 750 ml and in second bottle 250 ml. Second bottle 250 ml and first bottle 750 ml. So we have completed this page also. The remaining topic we will do in the next video.